This is what you're gonna eat today. Right? You ready? Hello guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to my channel, the Fairful Clan 427. Paul Jason. Welcome back. So today we're gonna eat
2 times spicy, hot chicken flavor.
this one here,
noodles.
Korean spicy noodles. It's like 2 times spicy. So Jason, my husband, he's going to try the first time. So see how he's gonna do.
I prefer to eat the chicken flavor ramen noodles, but because some of you have asked me to eat the spicy noodles,
Yeah.
and Paul was cooking them, I was like, hey, I guess I'll eat them today. Give it a try.
Yeah, it looks good.
Spice doesn't bother me too much. I'm not really into it, but we'll see how this goes. Ooh, that looks spicy.
So we also learn Korean today.
Okay.
New Korean lessons. So we're gonna do
Spicy.
like where, okay? Pele.
Not too bad.
You eat it already? The watermelon gonna cool you down.
That's why we got the watermelon here. We bought the watermelon.
How is it?
It's spicy. But I told you I don't have a big problem. I don't have a big problem with spice. It is spicy. It's burning. But it doesn't bother me that much.
No?
No, I like spicy stuff. I don't like stuff this spicy.
I thought you don't like it. I thought you're gonna be like freaking out like that.
It is that hot, but I could be freaking out. But
It is very spicy, this one. It's 2 times, so
the reason I don't eat it is because I'm not into spicy, but I can handle spicy.
Oh yeah?
By the end of this, I'll be used to it.
Do you know how to you hold chopsticks?
Pretending I could do chopsticks. Got milk.
A hair. Hair is spicy.
It's not too bad.
Say hair.
Too spicy though, but not too bad.
Say hair.
Hair? What's hair?
Spicy.
Hair. Hair. Very happy.
เราจะไข่ seaweed เดี๋ยวนะ hair spicy. That's a new word. Just next time do the video, you gotta remember, okay? Spicy in Korean.
No. I know a few more Korean words. I know bah. One of the first things I learned. But because we got kids, I know pomana, and
One mom named daughter. Big daughter.
patois,
Pourquoi? You don't wanna try that
I will.
fried vegetables? Stir fried vegetables? It's good.
I'm just enjoying my noodles. They're pretty good. Too spicy. I don't like spicy that much. I'm not really into it. But they're pretty good, other than them being spicy. I can see why Paul likes to eat it. They taste pretty good. My nose is running now because of the spicy. Makes your nose runny. Now what do you call this vegetables here?
It's just the lettuce.
Lettuce.
The bada.
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 Actually, another thing I haven't tried yet was her seaweed. And I was waiting on a video to try it.
You want to try now?
I will.
Later?
I like the noodles better than the lettuce.
You don't like this
I'm
one?
not really into vegetables.
They're the best.
I eat very unhealthy. Mostly processed food that I'm not supposed to eat, which is why I'm at the point now where I have to eat healthy.
I'm kidding. Your mouth's dirty. My mouth's dirty.
You got food in your mouth. Gross. Obviously watermelon. Americans love watermelon.
Yeah.
Got that to cool down spicy. But I'm doing it now to get rid of that flavor of that vegetables. Any more words? Watermelon?
Oh. Beretta.
Burrata.
Don't forget, okay? Next time you're gonna have to remember, okay? I'm gonna test you next time.
Burrata.
Beretta.
Okay.
Okay.
Seaweed. Not really into seafood. The seaweed don't smell bad. Kids love it. Kind of, I think of it like chips. But I
Yeah.
never eat it because
Kids love it.
I don't know. That smell you get when you go to the river or the lake or something. You smell it. That's what this smells like. It smells like the river or the lake because that's where the seaweed is.
This is the ocean. It came from the
How's
ocean.
that taste?
Oh, they just got it from the shore. You know, I saw that on the video.
I think I've had enough of the seaweed. We're just gonna go.
What?
We're gonna skip the seaweed. I chewed it, tasted it. Seaweed's also not my thing. But our kids love the seaweed.
They're like me. They like everything.
If I was raised on it, I would like it.
No, I never had a seaweed before.
But
Not until America.
noodles are pretty good. I'll finish noodles. I'm used to noodles. I'm used to spicy.
Okay, what is splashing and shit?
When her mom has a Karen jacket for me, and when we do that in the video, I'm gonna eat something that's not as messy as this. That doesn't splash on the jacket. It's a white jacket. It's Karen soup. I have to eat something that's not gonna make a mess on it.
Okay.
Pata. Pata, right? Hot, spicy, pata. Pata, paha.
แฮ
Hair. Hair.
แฮม้า
Emma.
แฮม้า
Oh. So we got watermelon.
Iced tea. That's your tea. Here.
I also like the Thai iced tea. Drink it, I mean.
Drink it.
We go to a restaurant, I have no problem with the Thai iced tea. I don't like the bubble tea. Bubble tea tastes fine, but bubbles don't really work for me.
The sticky thing that stuck to your teeth.
Chewy gummies.
Oh.
But we'll make a video. Some Thai iced tea, bubble tea.
So let us know, you know, what you guys want him to eat.
Maybe I'll try it.
Korean food or, you know, something else.
Some things I will not try, like stink beans. You're never gonna see me eat stink beans, ever. Horrible, worst thing ever. She loves them. That's her favorite meal.
Yeah, I grew up eating it, so we're not liking it.
I have gone with the durian. If you want to see me eat the durian, it's one of her older videos. You'll take a look through her videos and find the durian one. I would say, take a look at that. And see me try the durian. It's one of the first things I really did not want to eat that I tried.
We're gonna put it at the top here somewhere. Top here. Somewhere here. Like right here. Just
Not
check
over
it out.
here.
I don't know which way. I don't know what size. What?
I don't know what that is.
It could be the seaweed.
Not that.
No, the green thing, that's the vegetable seaweed. And
No, not the green one.
sesame seed. What's the onion?
Alright. I'll done with my noodles.
You done already?
A smaller bowl.
Great job.
She got a giant bowl. I have a little bowl. Little bowl. Big bowl. She made two of these bags. Give me a little bit. Let me try them. They don't taste bad. I like the taste, but they are too spicy. My nose is running now. I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. Is it cleaning out my nose, or is it creating stuff that's not supposed to be there? I don't know, but my nose is running now.
You want it?
Give her a nice big slice of watermelon.
Here you go.
That's a lot. Any other words you want to teach me?
I don't know. Say Obama.
Obama.
Obama me. Very delicious. So what is it called again in Korean?
Obama.
No, this thing. Watermelon. What do you call it?
Parkway.
It's called Beretta.
Rata. My breathing's getting better.
Yeah.
See, I'm not going.
That's good.
I have a sleep machine now.
APAP.
I can breathe because I don't breathe when I'm sleeping. Now I can breathe while I'm sleeping. It was so spicy. My tongue's burning and my lips are burning. Ooh. You might say I don't have lips. Well, outside my lips, above my lip, below my lip.
That's
Whew, spicy. Tastes good. That's because I like noodles. I like to eat the ramen noodles. I used to do something strange that nobody else does. I take the ramen noodles, I put the chicken flavor in. I take some chicken nuggets or barbecue, mix all that together. It's great. Except at this point, it's too processed for me. But that's something I like. Or that I used to like. I stopped doing that a couple years ago. When I started having troubles because of processed food. All done. Now it's time for my honey.
I'm almost finished too.
Alright, so what else you gonna teach me? My lips are on fire right now. Thank you, viewers, for asking to do this video.
He's suffering right now.
I'm suffering for you.
Yes, suffering for
and
you guys.
For my honey.
For my fans.
My little lady. Suffering for all of you. I'm not gonna act all.
Tea, mean like
a lot of people do when they get spicy.
Tea, you know, is water in Korean.
Tea?
Tea.
That's how you say water?
Yeah, water.
Tea.
It's like tea, you know. You can do tea, you know.
Well, that's one I might actually remember, because that's how I remember things. I think of something else that sounds like it. Like in Spanish, water is agua. And
Agua.
It's agua.
It's just like in English, like agua, like aqua,
Aquarium.
aquarium.
Right.
So
That's why I was about to say. That's why in Spanish I can remember water is agua. Bah. I don't know why I remember. Bah. Easy one for me to remember.
What is the opposite of ba? Like skinny. He.
Okay.
He used the he.
Okay.
Yeah. That's something you have the most trouble with, like sunk.
You got seaweed stuck between your braces. She's almost done with her braces.
In September or October.
This fall, coming this fall, revamped. Show you before and after. You know, she has pictures of before days.
Way back. It was like last year.
1 year ago when she first started getting her
More than a
braces.
year ago. In October.
Oh, so you're gonna have them for 2 years?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was a year and a half. It's 2 years.
I have about 1 year left.
Right now it's winter, okay? We want to do travel videos. We want to go out and do videos of out there, but it's winter. That's the thing about living in New York State. It's winter 75% of the year. So when it warms up, we'll go out, show you Niagara Falls again. We went to Niagara Falls in November around Thanksgiving. We went to go visit my family for Thanksgiving in Niagara Falls, but we'll do a much better one next time we go out there. We did the Light Festival. I don't know where Paul put the video for that, but we did the Light Festival. We'll do that again next year, and maybe we'll have a good video on it.
Yeah, it's gonna be great videos.
Might go to the Bolt Castle. We'll try to find some nice things in New York State to go to, and a few things out of state once we get out of once we get all the stuff in this state done. There's a lot of good stuff in New York State. New York State's got a lot of good places, and we'll show you the ones that we know. We know a lot of them in the Western New York area because that's where we were for a very long time, and now that we're in Central New York, we found quite a bit here too.
Niagara Falls.
She didn't say Niagara Falls, she said Chittenango Falls.
It's by Syracuse. South of Syracuse.
And I still remember how to get to all these places by driving. You know what? I was looking for peanuts, and I just saw the peanuts over in the corner there. I was gonna put some peanuts in my noodles because sometimes the Asians like to put peanuts in their foods. I thought we were gonna put eggs in here. You still didn't cook that egg.
No, I forgot.
We're gonna have eggs with this because the eggs and peanuts, some good stuff to add to these noodles. Good thing to do with the noodles is to put them on the seaweed. The Paul's doing that. Just Just because I don't like the seaweed doesn't mean you won't. You know, go buy some seaweed. She does better with them than I do. Check out the baby. Already deadly. Yep. Yep. Come up, sorry. Trying to light on woke the baby up. I want to see if he's awake. Kind of woke him up. He went back to sleep. We have to go to church soon. So we will have to take. Are you going to go or? Got a half an hour. Get it back.
Okay. So make sure you subscribe, guys, if you like the video, like and share and comment, and if you wanna. So you can also follow me on Instagram. The links are in the description below. So also we have a Facebook page. You can follow us on there. So we're all done now. That was great meal.
And also, please subscribe to my channel. Go to my channel, and that should be in the description, right? Paul put the description of my channel in there, and you can guys go there and watch me do my thing.
If you like games, you should subscribe to his channel and make sure you like and share. You know, help him out, just to be nice.
Be nice to watch my games.
All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.